Welcome to my CreditSimple review. Check the description for links and more details. CreditSimple makes understanding your credit score easy. This free, user-friendly platform gives you accurate credit information and actionable insights for improvement. Powered by data from credit bureaus, you get a clear picture of your financial health. CreditSimple excels at simplicity. Its clean interface explains complex credit details in easy-to-understand terms. Track your score, see changes over time, and identify areas for improvement like lowering credit utilization or resolving overdue payments. Get personalized recommendations tailored to your credit profile, including credit cards, loans, or balance transfers that might be a good fit. Your security is a priority. Robust encryption protects your data, and alerts notify you of significant changes, guarding against potential fraud. CreditSimple is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a free, straightforward way to improve their finances. It's ideal if you value transparency and actionable advice without the technical jargon. While not a full credit report, it's great for staying informed about your score and building a stronger financial future. CreditSimple truly simplifies credit monitoring. Whether improving your credit or just keeping tabs, it's a reliable and secure option. Check the links in the description to learn more and try CreditSimple today.